show you big, baby. Oh, yeah? You want some of...
The key to landing a powerful blow is motivation. If you want to hit something bad enough, nothing will stand in your way. Okay, so try and hit me. Weak, lame, even gonna try? Come on, Grandma. My cat punches harder. Did I mention I kissed Lashana? Ah! Okay, better. Ah! I'm so sorry. Oh, my nuggets are now my niblets. This means war. Whoa!
Please let my death be one of the faster, less painful ones.
Ooh, that's gotta hurt. Think she's still alive? Come on back and find out. Medic!
Well, there's her lilting laugh.
Go on.
And her delicate beauty.
Sorry, it's just that girl's as delicate as a freight train and... What the... Oh!
Sorry, Duncan.
Silence, geisha. Not cool. With honor. I'm Captain Alberta, and I can swirl up a hot Chinook wind. That's a spicy burrito. It burns.
Impressive. Gross, but impressive. Now that Owen's gone, someone's got to carry the fiery torch. And extra points for keeping it Canadian. 7 points for Captain Alberta.
All right.
Harold, you're up.
What are you gonna do? Use that Chinook wind to get a little more hang time?
As a matter of fact, that's right. Eat my prairie dust. I call upon the great thermal winds of the mighty Chinook. Oh! To the rescue! There you go, ma'am. All in a day's work for Captain Alberta!
Hurry it up, Captain. You're on the clock.
I'm not sure if it was the heat or Harold's burrito breeze, but seeing that boy as Captain Alberta made me feel a little lightheaded. Woo!
Come on, Pythonicus!
Oh, ow! Yes!
Never thought I'd say this, but nice work, Captain Alberta. Made good time, too. 36 seconds. Could have done without the change in weather patterns, though.
Top that, all-seeing jerk. I'm giving Duncan a false sense of security. I'm just waiting for the right moment to strike. Hoodah! Marshmallow.
Props, so you don't hurt those pretty actor faces. And in true boxing movie tradition, you'll be fighting in slow motion.
You're going down.
Whoa! Take that!
How does he do that?
Yeah, he has a lot of experience getting hit.
Round 2!
Ew is more like it.
Y'all are just jealous.
Let's go, Harold, baby. You got the moves, you got the grooves.
Why, Thanks, Lashana. It's nice to...
1, 2, 3,
Get up, Harold!
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the winner is Harold and the Screaming Gappers!
Huh? Well, he knocked him out!
He scored a bunch of extra points for doing such great slow motion, and I had to dock you for biting. Very unsportsmanlike, Ms. Tyson. Lightning!
Hello, gorgeous. Mwah! Shabam! Wow. Check this game. Lightning's got it in the shebang.
Perhaps, but not if the final challenge is of an intellectual nature.
Ha! As if. Total drama finales are always physical. Hope you like juice, cause I'm gonna crush you like a grape. Huh. If I were a gentleman, I'd step aside and let the little girl win. Huh. But Daddy didn't raise no gentleman. Huh. So victory is mine. Huh. Ah! No more Mr. Nice Lightning.
You were being nice before?
Lightning strikes. Sure, sucker. Lightning's gonna tenderize you. Oh!
Yeah!
Ow! Armor strength 80%. Ow! 75%.
Tell you what, you waste your time trying to save a bunch of losers, and I'll win the million. Hey, get back here! Chris, I'm pinning him!
Sure.
Yeah!